Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Again, Brian Seachoice live here. What we wanted to show you was another offering out of our Seachoice catalog, and this is an anode kit. Right now I'm standing next to this beast of a Verado 350, and this is the anode kit for the lower unit and some of the trim parts. As you can see, we've got a couple located here on the lower unit, the round one. We've got two side mounts on the port and starboard side. Also, if we look down, we have another one at the base of the trim located under here. When we also have two more plated here and here on our trim tab unit. Folks, this is a vital part of your boating experience. We need to make sure these are on here. What this does is it cuts down on the galvanic corrosion and the electrolysis that will happen to your boat over its lifetime. The galvanic is caused by anything that can be in the water that's going to go ahead and pot and pit and do little damages to your boat that can turn into an expensive repair over time. The electrolysis is coming from the electrical systems that are in the water, coming from your neighbor's boat. Maybe it's even coming from your boat or the shore power system. So folks, this is a DIY kit for you. It's for you to do it yourself at your house when the boat's on the trailer, you're at the rack and stack, and you need to change out your anodes. What Seachoice offers is the aluminum and the magnesium varieties, okay? We cover your Mercuries, we cover your Hondas, we cover your Suzukis, the Yamahas, whatever you need. Just go into your local marine store, find the correct kit with your AL for aluminum. You're gonna have the M for magnesium, and you can go ahead and do this yourself.